Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to grab your best ideas and keep track of your to-do list, all in one place? Today, I'll show you how to set up a quick capture notes and task system using Notion so you can stay organized with minimal effort. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional-looking workspace ready to capture thoughts and tackle tasks, and you'll know exactly how to tailor it for your own needs. Let's get started. For this demo, we'll be using Notion's free capture notes and task system template. Templates are a fantastic way to save time and skip over a lot of the trial and error that comes with building from scratch. They come styled to look clean and professional right out of the gate, but you can tweak and personalize them later to match your preferences. Think of a template as the bones of the house. You can move in immediately, then decorate however you like. First up, open Notion and look in the top left corner. There's a drop-down menu there for more options. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a few handy features, and we're specifically looking to explore templates. Templates are like shortcuts, letting you tap into tried-and-true designs and systems without having to reinvent anything. Within that menu, you'll find Browse Templates. Click on it, and Notion will show you a library of templates for all kinds of tasks: note-taking, project management, personal goals, and more. In the search bar, type in Capture Notes and Task System. This will filter the results so you can hone in on the right template. You might see several options pop up, so take a moment to browse. Sometimes it helps to peek at the previews to see which layout or vibe suits you best. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to choose right now. You can always come back and swap templates later. Once you spot the Capture Notes and Task System template you like, just click on it. Notion will show you a detailed view, maybe with a sample set of tasks and notes already plugged in, and then you'll see an Add button. Click Add, and Notion will instantly create a new page in your workspace using the template structure. Depending on your internet connection, this part might take a few moments, so don't sweat it if it spins for a second. Now, with your template set up, the fun begins. This is your chance to make it yours. You can start adding your own credentials. Think of this as setting up the admin details so it's ready for your data. For most people, that means naming the workspace, adding your details, or linking up any key resources you want handy. If you're a creative, you might also want to drop in some inspiration, make lists for your projects, or include notes on ideas that pop up during your day. The best part with Notion is how customizable things are. You can change colors, rearrange sections, or add covers and icons to make it feel personal and inviting. Maybe you want a dedicated table for tasks and a section for daily notes, or perhaps you prefer a streamlined, minimalist look. Don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, it's your system, so make it work for your style and workflow. Think of it like setting up your own digital desk. You get to decide what's on top and what's tucked away, and that's all it takes. In just a few minutes, you've set up a professional capture notes and task system that's as flexible as you need. This setup helps you stay organized, lets your ideas flow, and gives you a place to track what matters without any clutter. If you found this walkthrough useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy Notion tutorials. Drop your questions or tips in the comments. I'd love to help, and you might inspire someone else. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.